Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to put bullet points side by side in Microsoft Word. Adding side by side bullet points in Word can enhance visual organization and make information easier to compare or contrast. So let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Word document. Now to insert bullet points, simply select the text. And now click on Home tab in the Word ribbon. And then click on Bullets icon in the paragraph group. You can see bullet point has been created. Now to place multiple bullet points on same line in Word, select the bulleted list and click on Layout tab in the Word ribbon. Now click on Columns and select the number of columns you want. If you want 2 bullet points on the same line, then select 2 column layout. You can choose any number of columns you want. So that's how to put multiple bullet points on one line in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.